Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can view the page source behind the Safari web pages. Okay, so for example, I want to view it in the Google Chrome or Explorer. Usually I will just right click and then go to view page source. So for this Safari web page, okay, so if you are unable to view page source, what you need to do is you go to this Safari, okay, go to preferences, and then under the advanced tab, go and click on show develop menu in menu bar. Okay, so once you have done that, you right click again, and then you can see this word that says show page source coming up. Okay, so just go ahead and click it, and then you can see the HTML code behind this web page. Okay, so basically this is all I want to share with you on how to view the page source behind a web page on Safari. Okay, so if you find this video useful and you have benefited from it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching and listening to Yori White at yoriwhite.com.